Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube and entering the terms you want. Type precise keywords to narrow results. Once done, press enter or the search icon so results populate. Make sure you're signed in if you want personalized sorting, but it's not required. Now look just below the search box for the filters button or the funnel icon. Click or tap that control to reveal categories like upload date, type, duration, and features. This is the first actionable step toward tailored results. After opening the filters panel, choose one category at a time and observe how results change. For example, pick upload date then duration to find recent short videos. You should combine filters strategically, select type for channel or video, then features for subtitles or 4K, because combined filters intersect, shrinking results to match all criteria. Once selected, the interface updates automatically. If not, tap apply or rerun the search. Keep experimenting. Different combinations. Finalize by scanning results and refining choices. Uncheck or clear filters if you need broader coverage. You can save certain preferences through account search settings on some platforms, so make sure to enable them if offered. If you hit 0 results, simplify your keywords, remove less essential filters, or try longer time ranges. For persistent issues, clear cache. Update the app or use a different browser. These steps resolve stale UI or filter bugs and restore normal search filter behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.